Ibwege sana kaire murithiri wa Meru TV ntuenge nthongi nkathera twina mbere kwa tukirikana kiri mubango wetu atubaitithanie mubango wetu twina mbere kwa tukirithagiria biashara mwanya mwanya na tukaina mbere kwa tukithomaga point wa point kengo twina mbere kwa tukimenyaga biashara batiri kwegwa kiruthikaga ata batiri kwegwa gitumagira njira ire kukuona atu kuina mbere kwegwa kiagirithagia biashara ya kumuthenya we munthi turi ntere chena nyuki ndeni ya nkoro ya Kirimara yetawa the heart of Mount Kenya kana nkoro ya Kirimara atuthite na mbere kwa tukirithagiria rugono rwa biashara ya hoteli imwe nene sana ira ithiritwe kirutha bwega muno nterino chia Nanyuki na hoteli ingi yetawa the Peak Hotel hoteli ira ithiritwe kina mbere kwigikura na mpui sana na ira ithiritwe kina mbere kwigitwika hotethio kiribaingi muno nterino chia Nanyuki na tina nyuki yake kinya Laikipia County, Meru County, Isiolo County na nterino chionde chithiritwe kina mbere kwigwa ikithiurukagira murithiri wa Meru TV watania na ni muthenya we munthi kengo twina mbere kwa tukimenyaga challenges kana mathina mawega na rugendo rwa kuma mwambirio mwankagu hoteli ino kinyite na tukirithagiria mwene kiroto ya hoteli ino tungi ni Ben Mwarania ra tukaina mbere kwa tukiwatanagira na twire mantu kathumba maigenie na hoteli ino kiri mubango wetu wa tubaitine kawithire bambitani family zwa Kimathi gato watanire mwanka muthia kengo tumenya maingi makonenie na hoteli ino watanira nani Ibwega murithiri wa Meru TV watabwanda arikena ukwira ati muthenya we munthi tukaina mbere kwa tukirithaga rugono rwa mwanya sana rugono rwa gukiria go murithire gwithira gutumibi we na kiroto yakwa we na biashara ya kiruthite bwega sana rugono rwa tukaina mbere kwa tukiwataga kuma kiri mwene kiroto ya hoteli nene sana antere chena nyuki na hoteli ingine hoteli ya The Peak Hotel antere chena nyuki tuwatanite na mwene kiroto eka mukamati kiroto eki Mr. Ben oraka ina mbere kwa getwerethagira mantu mwanya maigenie na hoteli ino na tumenye mantu maingi nkuruki makonene na rugendo rwake burambangirie na burayangie na ithuganira kwigwa ena hoteli ino amana otua kwena biashara chingi kathumba chithiritwe mibia kirwa kiruthaga amwa kwigwa kiambagiria biashara ino turi nkoroni ya kirima gya Kirimara ngwetiga itumiyethiritwe gitawa The Peak Hotel akaina mbere kwa getwereza maybe maingi nkuruki maigenie na hoteli. Karibu sana Mr. Ben.
Thank you sir.
Bwega no tukinyabo kwa wena ati muthenya we munthi kengo tukianagira
ibo bwega sana.
Karibu sana kedo murithiri wa Meru TV mbere tiambiria na kengo tukiambagira bwega
kanko bukethia bwinthe antu barabu thikaira TV eje na ndauga ibwega muno nontu wa gutwana kanya gaka kwija kwithirwa bwejo mwere Meru TV gwite mwanka Nanyuki na kukwija specifically Peak Hotel igukena muno na kuga thank you very much.
Bwega sana, thank you very much na ibwega no tukinyabo watu ina mbere kwa tokea mukagirwa na ubuntu ko thongi sana na I can tell you that this is one of the best of the best hotels around here chena nyuki gatuambirie yetweri The Peak Hotel ndirimaanisha ati ndino ntu watemire weta hotel no The Peak Hotel
ura twathithirie twategere tuku decide kwa hoteli no to that was a decision that to make na the next thing was hoteli je biri kwithora igita wate na inko bwanderie twaria hoteli ujari twaria mwana ire thora na gitumi kyayo na ria twakaria twatega mantu ja maingi na finally twaja kuwa gintu kare ku make a lot of sense gintu kira kimo kiri very unique ya jojo kiri agwa we are na no kuona nyomba ije yetu ri ngoroba ithano na ndi uri iguru na area numba kuona features ira nene in this region ukora of course ability Mount Kenya na kumake Mount Kenya Aberdare no tunyo the next one na kuma una ndio tega rutero rugyo kuona nyumwera the Loldaiga Hills na to tega it was a natural kuga na ndi batwe to get a Peak Hotel na of course it was considered marito ja maingi but finally we thought you know it was very appropriate na truly they took on na mwankana yetu itona ndi.
Alright. Bwega sana na ntungwetie kinyaturi arego tukaira kona ili mabibi ando gutwerezera ngweti we karega tukiambagirie burumbere kwe mtumba kwa watu ilete arakiuragia Mr. Ben Mr. Ben ria tukwarire Mr. Ben turariria mtu akariata mtu naenda kumenya who is Ben.
Thank you sir. Bwana Kimathi unipe tuambe ule ndagukanda beto Ben Mwarania Mwarania of course into Mwarania who is my father na nchiari Meru just about Makwena Meru town yao na kuma ndenda ndibande kuthiria form 4 ndatonya jeshi as a cadet ntombere with form 5 na kuendelea ndetanda I became an officer na nda commissioned in the Kenya Army 1979 na ndiko commissioned my first posting actually bwana Kimathi Eliaja Nanyuki as a second lieutenant na kumau ndakara kwa jeshi mwaka 1995 18 years service na ndio kinyao ndatega nda compare a lot of things. As a family we made a decision which was a very hard decision because I was a good soldier.
Yes.
In the era I was a good soldier and I think I was a fairly good soldier. Yeah. Na ndirauma ndi kuromba kuma mapema no tunuje na ndi kumera after 18 years service ndaidi kinyagita ko retire. Then ndi ku retire ndetagi ko the corporate world. Na ndi ndetagi corporate ndetanda ndaindi jukirie human resource management. Na ndendelea na human resource management. Kampuni ya nenda itire ngugi itawa Homegrown Kenya Limited. Na Homegrown Kenya Limited was it is still an horticultural company growing vegetables na maua. Neri na Ivasha, neri aja ujo mwati mau and at the peak of Rianda Atonyere, that was a company that had 14,000 employees. And with the companies in the UK, Aja, South Africa, and we grew in the company. After about 7 years, towards 2000, they are board director in that company. Na nande kumonde auma, nde kumanda atonyage company ingine na nde standards. Standards ni re kuthia brabo ketha bwena boka meet certain standards kenda bomba kuendia vifaa vyenu gongo. Niona ndide kutuko ndio tonya wito Fair Trade Labeling Organization iri unara Ujerumani. Nionda itamo mwaka 2007. Kumaundeta into our business. We were running a college. To run the college mwaka 2011 nda umonde ja nda dante dikuja kile cottage hospital haja ujo. That was now in 2015. Ndikuja cottage. Then we saw this place again. Now it was ija kuchoka anjano tukwa ndio ambiri in my career. Yeah. Then bas to kinyaja what next? Tuatega tuona the hotel industry was doing very well, very well and very promising. To either the studies to make sure that we know what we are doing. Na bas turauga tuka hotel Nanyuki. And so we identified this place na tuarugura in August 2018. August 2018. Up to this day we are here.
All right. Bwega sana. Ilo wana rogongi sana kinyomo ibera Meru TV ingweti ya nokene. Kiroto yake Mr. Ben nawa netukuma we mwana kana nuntu bwa kinyire tu gatagati wona maybe area noni mbaya kwamberia ngugitena.
Wana Kimathi, I think business it's about opportunities. Yeah. Kote gowe jo kuona kwina a need. You have no mwanko tego keja kuona kintu giki ukomba kuthithia. Na kwina some bantu ya umbotego kamenya nwiji ukomba kuthithia. Of course you have to have the money, you have to have the knowledge, the technical knowledge with it we know that is an added advantage. Na ndewe je wone what is involved in doing that business. Or make sure you know enough for you to do kija kuganandika kwambira kuthithia gintu jo hoteli te kwambira kuthithia hoteli no tubangiba kuthithia hoteli inyoke ya kwithura nyamwera gutio ungi ojoketha ukumithomera na welewa no tega bangira kuthithia kenda na ndio kiambire wambire with na certainty ya kwambiria ego succeed. Now ntare dream kwambira hoteli na uni I think bomba kuwa uni am an entrepreneur. Na entrepreneurs definition vera oni muntu roga keep all the profits but take all the risks. Unfortunately we joke ya kwithura babo ugaira profit utechio lakini nande batu ya tuambiri in my time I've run a matatu business, ndira run canteen, I've run a college, and so lakini naino gokurande you can do anything as long as you are a business person. No kedwa muntu ugotego kona kiro kwenda then nandi ya kila mikakati to make sure ira wambiri ile no mumenya enough no kureta antu bakumenya enough kenda umbo succeed.
Bwega sana. Maybe mwakani wa 2020 kwagire na mpanga ya murimu wa COVID-19 rai atemire biashara ndingo no ithina mbere kwitinga wa na imwechi ina mbere kwikira moimo mwathie na mbere kwikiringira biashara no yakuna
itwaingire
nata wa manage gukira mwanka we bithira gure mundu
na ndi ni ore joke ya kwithira na ndi rira withire to we stand alone i biashara okurita na ndi baja batu na ndi twira directors batu enabo and that to tena nyamwera backing in muno finance ndira kwejire nyamwera covid itwaingira like everybody else na ito kuinga tuweza the practical things, how do we move forward na ndi to na ndi we have to downscale the operation na ndi to downscale the operation nyo na ndi twachoka ki bank they give us nyamwera operational funds na ito aidebra tuambiria kairi pole pole and bwana Kimathi I will tell you kiri nyamwera kiri nyamwera ki staff barapo tu atigirwa abo buga tware staff badatu unda ari ngadi yo muthenya so that was the practical thing.
So it was the guard.
I was the guard ya muthenya twatwe na ngadi otuko na unge muntu kwangangura na aja ujuri twaingite
na maybe ndio etemete wewe burungi mwankala in terms of wewe buri kuraga wantu uri ariko mano bukwendelea gukura siri ndio
ni kiuga nyumwa to be honest with you I think we are very passionate na ura to idhaia na igintu kinene muno wejoke ya kwithira we enjoy kuthibara running this hotel we enjoy to take care of mugeni mwankoko na kugwirwa na kuona facility igutuma kiria gatuma itambeja chiawe happily agubutigira mbeca no ntwa kugwirwa service irabo muete but of course apart from enjoying no mwanka wikire nandi mipango withwe na mipango etoshete na kumenyera mbeca ukeje ukadugania nyamwera ukambira gwita mbeca mapema ke biashara jeji na ndi unfortunately it will not work no tunandi ukeja in a very short time with nandi utembecho inacho no tuleja batu we are still on loans and loans is the way to go na ino uteno ukeda kunengro mbeca cha cash cha free na ndi kudugania to kwenda mbeca cha cash cha free na then what you have to do you will save what you have or minimize expenses. That's one factor. Number two, ne antubara witangoge. You must take care of your employees. Na taking care of your employees, we joke that you naro badiuruka, no kuja bakudia the challenges they are doing. You have to love people, love them in the sense of appreciating whatever varianto. Na the value they are bringing. Okamenya nande uko na wakuna wenka, you can do nothing. Now, the real trust anto get people bamenye nguge omuntu gwira kurita no ntonyo mwera anto ibetani mu Kenya. Na neko ukiumara weto jukia muntu wetha udoga karagi front office. Uka make sure you have got a qualified person. Niona ite reward your brothers and sisters na relatives. Hapana ni muntu we qualified akaiwa ngugeria. Na I think that is also a very important thing. Na ndaga treat anto like human beings, treat them well, they will be appreciated and they will make sure that they do the job. Now, yenge mberendiria bwana Kimathi, trust them. We joke ethirwa nyumwera na agurira wejire ukauga mbeca yunka yukeninga. Nandi kuga nandi go you are running yourself down. Go kuthira operation yaku. Not you can't. Mbeca you have to trust an accountant, niongugiyewe, the accountability, jo make sure na gwitangugiewe. So make sure ugo nyumwera ugitangugie ni jaura mtoro mbandi ora winda ya kwaya mtoro mbere to wina lakini utongerete bara bangi bombe na that's the most important thing beta kona ke biashara na the single thing that taka naru na tukauga success ya hoteli yeji to be honest with you iko ya kwethira we have got very big discipline, very disciplined. Hoteli are very tricky no to ito hospitality na neona ito ya tuekera the level of discipline is very high, the level of responsibility ni nene na ikuwaka confidence kireanto muntu akija jo aitangugia wetoshete na akweja tukona as much as we are possible aito muri amushara ni kamushara kanganirite kulingana na uwezo bwana wa biashara then that way ukeja kuona once and tubangu giba unile biashara ja pix yaja uju then now you have won.
Right, wega sana wega muri wa Meru TV kwegwa karugono ka longi muno kana mbetimbe sana ikoneni na mwene kana mwambirije mwene kiroto ya The Peak Hotel otirira umayithire twikina mbere kwege Peak na njira indongi sana kana njira inene muno andende tumwaruka nini tutukuje ruo twina mbere kwa tukira ya gamarando then twachokera kengo twina mbere kwa tukimenyaga maybe iki nontu wobatiri kwegukiyaga agaukire the Peak Hotel kwina meago kathumba kwina mantu mathongi sana kaina mbere kwa gitwerezagira na muno agatwira hoteli ino yithiritwe gitwika hoteli kiri akariba guntuku ata monde amu tukaina mbere kwa tukiwatemagira tunda ikitia kuraya ririkana uko ni kwa Meru TV mubango ni tubaitithania watinete na ni Faminas wakimaya.
Ugeja kwithira no guchwa antu aega akorea agonywa ona kuthithiria michemanio ukabio na beyond Peaks Hotel na Nyuki. Peaks Hotel ni thagiro wairi na nyomba cia kurara na inthongi cia mithembe thatu: standard, superior na executive. Koroki kuri na nyomba cia michemanio ciomba kujuki kundi bianto magana jairi. Rooftop nayo ni thagiro iri na gukara na ukionaga Mount Kenya, Aberdares Ranges na Lodaiga Hills. Kairi Peaks Hotel ni thagirwa iri na gym, swimming pool ya ruji rwa murutera, steam bath, sauna, ona massage na beauty parlor. Outdoor fitness center nayo iri na kieni kia michetho na team building, kuthithia michemanio, merano ona biatho. Oku ukethirwo na low ropes, high ropes, zipline na outdoor gym. Anto bomba kuthithia camping na maema oku. Peaks Hotel bali na kambi mwitoni jwa Mount Kenya na aria baikagia anto kuthithia forest camping na kuthoma mantu ja maingi ja guchia kakirime karie na miturire. Nkoroki ni babangaga gwitia kirima kia Mount Kenya Mwanka Point Elenana iria iri mita 985 kuma level ya area. Peaks Hotel na Nyuki iri kilomita 3 mbere ya gukinya tauni ya Nanyuki umite bwa Meru. Kumenya manto nkoroki ringa thimu gukorokira 0711 969 690 kana 0782 426 689. Email ni info@peakshotel.co.ke na website ni www.peakshotels.co.ke. Peaks Hotel na Nyuki, beauty and taste with nature.
Bwega murithiri wa Meru TV tukuiva twichokagira kairi nkwirire muthenya we munde turi nkoroni ya kirima ya Kirimara, the heart of Mount Kenya, aratuwatanirite na the dream carrier wa utiri nene sana ira yithiritwe kina mbere kwigwa gikathwa na gwitika agauntere chena Nyuki na tingi no utiri ya the Peak Hotel era tuwele tukina mbere kwa tukirithagiria maybe no vile tukimwa na KTV yetu agago kagita na kagita na munde twa mwatu ko yatumenya mantu monde nara marumite nyongo na mwene Kiroto wengwa karibu sana Kairi sa.
Thank you sir.
Tukina mbere kwa tukiendelea.
Thank you bana.
Itukwetu kwa mantu mengi sana maigeni na noti no kire egitunchi gige tukiambere na maybe kagita ne tukiambirie tu mtu anda kuigwa kimenyaga hoteli eno yithiritwe gitwika ya hoteli ata kiri akaribanteri
igurege kiaga kiu na ndakira ndatega nyamura ria twaugire tugaka hoteli eji itwaina mwera na options nyingi muno na deliberately twaugire tugaka tutiaka gatagati town twaugire tugaka in a rural setup kile gatumire tuga karuro setup itwenda kwa identified with the community na ndi kwa identified meaning that batu nandi turiaje uju we are part of this community na tu part of this community nonto wejo kethura ja bia kura bietu bila tugura within the locality nonto antu bena ibaremete ikwachi ibaremete mwera mengau ibaremete into mwanya ko kuringana bila tukwenda nguku nkara and all that twamba iria gwetwa aja uju tukeja kumara twita na Nyuki town iria kira gutikao kira available aja na tukiena majo twina mameru into no turakumeru is a very rich mwera market wejo kedwa fruits na vegetables ya chiemeru is very fresh so ara tutiromba kugura aja uju na itukena tukagura meru naku kwa unare twejere aja uju ito encourage the community of this place na twina twakitenya gakiama gakoithia security kuona aja tukuna tukathomithia ana ba area eje ke baithia computers and all that no tunando jo ke tukuga bara twina boba this locality tiba bengi gutosha na ndio tukubera you have to have the qualification to tibwendera no that won't be discrimination you know makozo na the right qualification then you are able to work here na kwa unaunda ukanyamwera ito kuona value kwa tu in this part of the world no tunandenda ataka impact yetu here is quite significant.
Bwega sana. Mtora twithite na ara nomba kwigwa kenda kumenya hoteli no tuweta the Peak Hotel maybe services ile kugwa boge ofagaga na in addition to that maybe ikinonto mtu abatiri kwa choose the Peak Hotel why the Peak Hotel na kwena maybe hoteli chingi nyacha kiende maybe chebeti kiambagilo why
it's true the hotel industry is very dynamic to hoteli ruguri nyingi jomwera after us ile ruguri in this area na kila kinene I think na ndeni ukirugura have a purpose na ndio kia kuona batu purpose yetu ikarete igechenja ya kulingana na mahitaji ya tukuona ki community na tukuona kile nyomwera kile ageni betu na niunda nyomwera tukiambire mbere tuambirie hoteli na nyomwera na conferencing kuthia conferences na michemanio kuthithia nyomba cha kurara aba akukundwa nyomwera a drink na then of course nyomwera the food na the rooms hiyo ndio tuambirira twarugure in 2018 2022 na ndino tutukagara tukiura wa swimming pool na facility na chona ndere twabangire twata kutukiromba mbia twaromba mbia twina target ya kuthithia nara spa nara wona nara kwena gymnasium kwena heated pool na heated pool duga heated not that is special kuomba ku heat the pool to degree 26 degrees 25 26 degrees na ndi ruji rukathongo bara kubambira teka ruji chamukija ro nyuma wa bathroom lakini na ndi for the pool that is good no ndo chamuka at that level kuomba kuleta some complication then of course tonight we na nyuma tu na gym ndio kwa tu na nyuma tu na massage tuena nail mwera cha kudongo bya mwera nkunyu na sauna na steam bath sauna ito on dry heat and steam bath ito wet heat na ndire wejire guku na ndiro terura na ru weja no kuthambira no gweta kuthungutha na ari guru no gutonya Kenya mweri ugasweti kabisa wacho kai back to the pool when a lot of activity kuthithwa ndere and then na the main thing that we toga this is a very unique thing in the outdoor atory na this outdoor is a classroom and the great chiendelete nande ne bakuchukomba curriculum their children not to bagire challenge to na chio cha technology before nande ba menya ukeja kuaga the outdoor wikiana beja badithia activities itu kuthithia narua beta baitia kirimara bakara muitone for 2 or 3 days with nature but in a facility cha monda nyamweria na mwanga finally with kirimara eguru nyamweria mountain climbing na ndi nyamweria eje ure kuthithia eje while we are in the hotel is very unique lakini kwa supported by the hotel nene ku support the hotel na that is something na ndio we are telling the Antuba Meru Antuba Laikipia na Antuba Nyeri na Antuba Isiolo Marsabit people are coming from far and wide kuja guita mirigie niona ndi twetu kwa lesson yeje leo itire mirigie ibyo thomere na itukuona the result, and we think is a very good thing. So the combination ya mantu jonte tukwatithenie bona Kimathi kugana ande tukiri bado twatega on a day to day basis, itukuona we are impacting on the community here and even nationally, in the sense of gutethire na tukuchokeria mwana ja kuwa responsible tutiga this responsibility ya kuwa boy child na girl child, no to kuwa boy child na girl child, ile these children ile baka men and women, na this assists us in assisting communities ko convertiana ba tutiga kuwa boy child and girl child to the boys and girls na to the men and women.
Wow, that's very nice, and I love that. Kwenda that maybe what is the added advantage, maybe mtu aya wa hoteli ni ya the big hotel imbienge extra kaina mbele kwa akiona ya kumutele kana baitengire kwa kewene.
Now of course na ndio mbona ndio ugarande, apart from we cook quality food and food bado tuiva diverse, tukaruga kichungu itukomenya na Kenyans the tourism industry is very well established. Tika challenges hitu inajora right now tujoka iwana ndipo tourist bakedwa wena wasiwasi like na ndipo kumeke ke adira turaina antu kumande kurukie 11 na ndede yapejere bedro kwenda wasiwasi area, they will be a bit worried for their safety. And but apart from that, our cooking is excellent. We bado tukakurugira nkime Kimiru, tukaruga mukimo Kimiru, tukaruga mudero Kimiru, then tuacho kwa uchungu na nabu na turuga nyamwera all the steaks, turuge all those things che umba kwa international cuisines, tukaruga kindi kiwatena kedoiri. So we are able to have that diversity in the eating. Na nari kingi na kyo keja kumenya ne ko ya kwithura ne jonto teri ete kuruga boega. That's very unfortunate. So we try to be as good as at that ura kulingana na kumbeka. Then neunda kura kingi na kukira ya attractive antu aja uto ne activities apart from kulana kunyona kumama na wetha muchema nione, they have got other things which they can be able to do. That works very well. Now kenge na kyo na nyuke kile into unique kile ithomo bibio jonto yoko wa young people ni gwita na ndio yoke ya kwithwa atwira game reserves. They are here na ndio gweta whether we are going to Olpejeta, whether Bugi Ranch, whether whichever, all of them na ndeni conservationists. Excuse me, nagi kithomo kana ndino those are very important things. Kuri ana batura kumubaratura batona nkuru na ba Meru na gaba ba Nyamoraka ba Laikipia na chona ichili aja Nyamwera aja ukiri Mount Kenya animal orphanage. You are able to kuona all those animals again. Llama is an animal kuma Southern America ina kingwe daja. Children and the young people and even older people, they need to come here and see these things. So apart from wetu kunka keja to ina mahoteli, to ina a lot of facilities anto bakweja na beja baka enjoy in this part of the world.
Right, bwega nkona nya kuina ken tikumya kana tuibaruza gramirano agaona biala tele.
Thank you Bwana Kimathi. Eje na ene mwajo ndo atukarinde na ande barabu you can one stop shop kimantu ja mirano na events. Na jamuranu weja barabe ekire kweba kwenda kuthitha nyamwara ja ikuithwa Nairobi igwitwa garden weddings. These are garden wedding. Na ja turiba karingirwa mbichaja, of course no beza baringirwa ange baringirwa rooftops. We got a lot of nyamwara kwa kuringirwa mbicha kwa kuinge mono njeje ujo na kuna wikuthongi fairly, it's very nice. Na space ni enough inonto aja kinyanto girie mono to we can host na beja bakara na the prices are not bad. The prices are very fair. Na ndi weja batonya bakaithia murano bakaria bakanywa bakaina ugoro na ndi na kuma braba kwenda kwithia nyane mu no bachokeane muni wetu.
So you are telling me, in other words, you are trying to tell me amuna utuka kwenda into bibio and maguli matima homo monora utimu tata.
No, we are not cheap, lakini na ndi weja kona with our level of standard we are fairly cheap. No, we are not very cheap. Lakini na utaka the standard yetu kuoffer, our competitors are offering more prices. That the competitor to this business is about competition. Ni about to complement. No ndo netu akara tu kuja unda dautarira kwa mtu ukeja ugandenda kina tumwere ndio terina. Ndenda kina ndio terina. To the issue ekuya kwithwa kwendwereo biashara o ile biashara shaina kega fail on its own standards.
Bwega sana. Maybe tukire kwena mtu turaithite aromba kwegwa akenda kwambia biashara teno ya na maybe athiritwa kigeragia bokarema. Maybe mtu torago makumwira.
Na ndi ndio unda Nyamwera, that is a good thing. No ntuwejoka igwa ntu wengi bakiwa ndageria ndiraremwa ndageria ntombire inkirite kwambira mbeja kuremwa na ndi ukethura wina negative attitude to bo succeed. no mwanka with a positive attitude first of all. The other thing no mwanka uchiurie nguye unkwenda kuthithia ri how much of that do I know kana nkomba kuumba kumara keni mbone qualified people baraba komba kuja baitangugire no turunda unia mwanta itani kwa hoteli yani ndare askari. Lakini today uko kwandu I can cook ugali, I can do some of these things, but still no kwejo wajoke ya kwithirwa niona ndi utena antu baraba qualified na bakwe nkotyomba na nimbu genda uga wajoka ukareta qualified people wejo of course na money wajoke ya kukomba kuthibara kwithwe na source embeje kwambiria no to know that's not an easy thing. And the other thing no mwanka withdraw wire de gukarande kuona nandi no kuthingatira wikira mwera mikakati ya ku make sure mwera everything is being done properly no go supervise to a point na ndi komba kwirongamira ukatiga too soon kega collapse.
Wega sana. Maybe in the next 5 years urenda utiri no yethero ukinya level.
Now 5 years we are now kuma 2018 mwanka na aru twine miaka mbuga mugwanjo na uteku wa 2023 capital yetu yatonyithirie ndene aja uju turingita na ange turingia mbiri hoteli ingi so ni kuga miaka ingi 5 then possibly if that is the direction we are taking no to the twin hoteli ingi and a beautiful place Isiolo that's very nice. Meru is a wonderful place tugia tukakwena kwenu now we have to get the same standards to kareta Meru or anywhere else where we think is viable if possible.
Sana maybe tukirikiri kabisa no wewe ukinenkanagira namba era muntu omba kwigwa ikinyagira au labda mtu akienda kubuka aru mtu akienda ku review bingi biga na utiri no maybe kwe muntu atiera wabantu arengenda kwa kiora gekiuria muntu arengenda kumenya maingetu maigeni na utiri no laila kamera era sa otunenkire maybe namba era muntu omba ukinyira utiri
ni bana kimathi nte kurikana namba na gukandekera nontu lakini nkane ya brochure nontu namba ini chintanga nontu nari ndo kwa jamwera pole about that lakini kaka bitekire mbene nkane jamwera the numbers after this.
All right. Ina vile ngoti mrevera Meru TV tukakwandikira namba ya Cornelia na hoteli ya The Peak au kiona ni TV yako ndio mkumeona na kiangoka inambele kwa wena kiurege yaku kana ukienda kumenya ntubunde bura ukainambele kuokea na giria na hoteli. Thank you very much sir.
Asante.
Ndongira ikondelea gago na iboyega nuntu enemwe hoteli irachire iguru sana. Ndechire tukinambele kuigikatho muno gago ndutere rwala kipi. Maybe migambo ya mudia tukirikire mubango.
So ikuga thank you very much kiri Meru TV na Nadhiri ibo tukinyetie kiri abantu baba bebe nyumwera abantu baba Meru bato ya Meru na we are very proud of that na komba tuite nyumwereje tuitwe twena antu bakuma kuraja lakini every time of course ya tuonere antu bagwetu we feel a lot more appreciated and we also feel proud to be able to serve antu betu. When you get an opportunity ukija nyumwera kiri wejeta these parts of Nyumwera Nanyuki we are just before Nanyuki town na karibu kinyo ketho ote unge utege wona ora to kuthithia itwandete mawa mathongi na the facility is fairly good as well na karibuni sana.
Wega sana. Kwa gumete maybe bwana Nanyuki makinya tamagana uka
3 kilometers kuma Nanyuki town ukija kwetu 3 kilometers ando ina mita na njira Nyumwera kwina Mamiru.
Wega sana. Thank you very much murigero Meru TV wetu kwebyo wona rubongi ma autirie mbongi ara okubatira kwegwa kuya wona mantu mwanya uenjoy kinyaka gita kuna mwendo waku ni agaonde ni autirie no nti bantu wega sana kinyaku birabiria malugari na miturera wethere twene ya ndena stress ukaya okaina mbere kwa wiki ragiria na ikiango mantu makaina mbere kwegwa makiagira kabe chimwanya no tuko kwa wiki ni TV yaku uko ni kwa Meru TV mubango ne tubaitithanie kawethera bambe tegani family na sokimathi turi agago The Peak Hotel utere rwa Nanyuki.